Holocaust Memorial Day takes place on the 27th of January each year. It's a time to come together to remember and to learn about the Holocaust, Nazi persecution and the genocides that followed in Cambodia, Rwanda, Bosnia and Darfur, in the hope there may be one day in the future where genocide will no longer take place. One day is the theme for Holocaust Memorial Day 2022. We light this candle in remembrance of the millions of men, women and children who lost their lives. Due to the pandemic, we are unable to come together in person to mark Holocaust Memorial Day 2022. However, we do urge all members of the community in Bridgend County Borough to come together in solidarity on this one day to pause for a moment, perhaps light your own remembrance candle and place it in your window to remember the millions of people who have been murdered or whose lives have changed beyond recognition during the Holocaust and subsequent genocides.